If you got significant Native students in your district, then you're required to teach Native language and culture. And most folks do not have the capacity. They don't have folk team members to deliver that. And so we are often pushing somebody way out of their depth to deliver on something they were never trained to deliver on. And there's always a little lag time. Like I'm building an Ojibwe language teacher training program right now for K-12 educators, and they will have full licensure and all these sorts of things. But it takes time to build it and to track people into it and to get them graduating, degreed and credentialed to like fill this big workplace demand. At the same time, the statutes say what the statutes say, and we got to deliver. They went from 5 million Native Americans in the US Census to 10 million from the 2010 to the 2020 census, and it's not because we had that many babies that fast. It's because they let you click more than one box. Most districts have, work to do on just getting good data on who are the students who are in front of us. The Native population has a lot of people who are especially multiracial and might not look the stereotypical part or didn't click a box, or sometimes even the systems pull the first box but not all the boxes, and there are all kinds of things to sort out. But a lot of districts are like, whoa, we have a lot more Native students than we thought. Now we actually have to deliver Native language and culture stuff.